Welcome, my people. Your boy work you in, checking back on another one. Right here is a 2020 Mazda CX-9. 2020. This is the back door. To show you guys how to take off the trim panel and the handle. If you guys want to know how to take apart that front door, it's on the channel, baby. It will be on the channel before the back door. Okay, I will post that video before I post the back door. With that said, guys, get your flathead screwdriver, because there is a bracket in here. We gotta take it out. Or we gotta take this piece out as well. That's what it looks like, guys. We're gonna take out that bracket. It's right between the. I know it's dark. It's all right. We're in a small shop, but it's all right. It's right between the handle, guys. Go ahead and take it out. And use the flathead screwdriver, guys. You see this groove right here? So put it right between the groove and pry this piece out. Just like that. Pry it out. Comes right out, guys. So it looks like, see? Comes out. It's one screw right there, another one right there. It's one up there. There's 3 Phillips, guys. Those are 3 Phillips. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. All right? Get away from me, man. Come on, get away from me. Mosquito. Now we got those screws out the way, guys. We're gonna get this flathead right. We're gonna put it right between the groove, and we're gonna pry the trim panel away from the door. Just like that. Now you're gonna put your hand between it and snatch it out. Comes right out. Snatch it out. Now you're gonna hold it. Gonna go up with it. Pry that piece out. Pry it out. Go up with it. Snatch it out. Comes right off, guys. All right, go ahead. Unplug it from down here. Just twist it around a little bit. Remember, be careful you don't break it, guys. That's it. Comes right out. Just push the panel and unplug the wire. That's how you take it off. Trim panel. That's for the back door. Now, we're gonna take this handle out. You see that black cup right there? Take it out. Take that black piece out. Now, guys, there's a shiny screw inside there, guys. That's a star tip. T27, star head. We're gonna put this in here. We're gonna turn it to the left. Turn it to the left. All the way. That was good. The flathead, put it right between the groove, just like that. Use both 2 hands. Put some pressure on it and turn it some more. Comes right out. Open this up and pry it out. Bam, comes right out. Then you're gonna grab this and pull it backwards towards you. Uh-oh, not coming out, which means there's a screw on the inside of it. You see that? Take it out. Unplug that wire. Take that piece out. Now, this is the hard one, guys. This one's actually pretty hard. But I've seen one like this before. I'm gonna show you guys how to take it out of there. You guys see that spring right there, guys? That's what holding the handle inside of there, guys. You see that groove right there? You're gonna push the spring from out the groove. Push it out. It's hard for me because I had this camera in my hand. All right. So you're gonna push it out until it stays. Or you could push it out and hold it, and take the handle out. All right. But since I had the camera in my hand, remember it's two of them, guys. One on top, one on the bottom as well. All right. It's a little bit hard because this camera is dumb light. All right. Yeah, you got R. Go ahead and take off the whole spring, guys. See the spring right here? You can take it off from here as well. All right. It's two ways to do it. It's up to you. Man, I'm trying my best with this camera in my hand, guys. I want you guys to see it. And you gotta be careful you don't put some dent in the thing as well, the panel. All right, guys. I'm gonna have to put on this camera, but try to get the spring over that groove right there. And guys, when you guys go to put the handle back, just go ahead and set the spring in there, and then slide the handle inside of it. That's how you do it. That's how you do that, guys. All right, snatch it out. All right, all you gotta do, guys, you don't even have to take out the spring all the way. It's up to you. Just put some pressure on the spring and move it from out the groove. Slide the door in, put the door against your chest, hold it and snatch it out. All right, that's how you do it. But when you go to put it back in, it's already set itself, or you just go ahead and reset the spring and slide it in. That's how you do that, guys. Pretty simple, all right? With that said, guys, thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks for the support. And I'll catch you guys in the next video, all right? All day, baby. We're going to drop them all day. Let's go. Hey, guys. But one quick thing I want to show you guys. If you guys want to know how to take off these side moldings, it's pretty easy, guys, because it's all clips. It's no screws. Grab it, snatch it off. That's it. That's going in the garbage. That's no good. These things are damaged. Grab it. Pressure, snatch it off. It comes right off, guys. It's pretty easy. All right, that's how you take off those. See you guys.